Alright, so for this lesson we are talking about emphasis, yet we are going to be using contrast. Contrast, when it comes to visual objects, means that it is almost the opposite, and since it's the opposite visually, it catches your eye. Now we need to start with a blank piece of paper for this. Alright, camera, you and me gotta fight. There we go. Alright, you need a red or an orange, something that is brightly colored. Red and oranges definitely capture our attention because usually that color means danger or poisonous. It's something that we need to look out for. And in our society, you can often tell that means stop. Okay, stop and look at me. So somewhere near the bottom of your paper, don't go above into the top half, but somewhere on the bottom of your paper, let's draw a fox. Start with a box for a fox. You're going to go, what? A box? A box? Really? Oh, wow. Things happen. Things happen. All the things happen. La la la. Sorry about that. Well, that was contrast. That wasn't supposed to happen, and it got your attention, I'm sure. Alright, I'm going to zoom in on this little box for our fox. So now, at this top corner, we need a head. Connect it to the box with a neck. It's going to need a snout. It is part of the canine family, and they have relatively large snouts. We can start rounding this out now. And foxes, we're going to have very simple ones because it's kind of far away. They have nice, thin legs to walk on. Nice, thin legs. 2 ears, and of course the piece de resistance, teardrop. Leave a little bit of the tip white for the body of our fox. Ooh, a little square still up there. I'll give it a tuft of hair right there. Alright, so we have our fox. Make sure it's nicely colored in. Go ahead and get a black out. Tips of the ears should be black. Nose should be black. And the bottom of the legs look like they're burnt. And there's our fox. Alright, so we have our fox made out of a box. I'm going to make it a little thicker. And it's in our woods. And it's not terribly large. Get out of here. Shoo. Alright. I'm going to zoom out almost all the way so you can see most of my paper. Apparently it's stuck to the table. I'm just having all sorts of problems today. Alright, so our fox is going to be walking through the forest. I want you to take your black, and I want you to draw some lines that go all the way to the top of the paper. Some are going to be near the bottom. Some are going to be almost equal with your fox. Some of them will be above your fox. Just alternate how tall your lines are. Alright, we're going to take these lines and now we're going to draw some tree trunks, some parallel lines going up, and of course you're going to color them in. Now ones that are closer to you are obviously going to be thicker, The ones that are further from you are going to be thinner. All right, so go ahead and color them in. Oh, am I stuck? Yeah, okay, go ahead and color them in.